Hey there, tech wizards and digital entrepreneurs. Imagine a tool that takes a load off your shoulders by generating content, crunching numbers, and even coding. Sounds like a futuristic dream? Well, welcome to today. Let's dive into the world of MidJourney, your next online business best friend. So, what's the buzz all about? MidJourney is this incredible, versatile platform that's on a mission to revolutionize how we handle online businesses. We're talking text generation, image creation, code writing. You name it, MidJourney's got your back. But why should you care? Stick around and I'll reveal how this tool is making waves in the digital universe. Pros of MidJourney. Versatility. Versatility is the name of the game, and MidJourney plays it like a pro. Whether you're juggling content creation or need that extra coding hand, there's little this platform can't do. Let's get into specifics. Texts for blogs, graphics for your marketing campaign, or even those pesky lines of code that seem to never end. MidJourney's software adapts to a smorgasbord of tasks, making it an indispensable tool in your arsenal.
Imagine one tool to replace several.
That's efficiency at its finest, right? Advanced content generation. Content is king, and MidJourney is the kingmaker with its cutting-edge content generation prowess. High-quality articles and captivating product descriptions. Consider them done. But it's not just about quality, it's the speed that'll blow your mind. With MidJourney's advanced algorithms, you could fill up your content calendar faster than you can say SEO optimization. From sparkling social media posts to informative blog entries, this platform ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. Data analysis. In the ocean of data we swim in daily, MidJourney is that submarine that takes you to the treasures below. Data analysis? It's more like data wizardry. Diving deep into datasets, MidJourney interprets complex figures and churns out actionable insights that could shape your business strategy. Understanding market trends and customer behavior just got a whole lot easier. Automation. Automation is the dream, and with MidJourney, you're living it. Mundane tasks? Automated. More time for creativity and strategy? Guaranteed. This platform is like having an army of robots at your command, all programmed to do the heavy lifting for you. Streamline workflows, schedule posts, and even automate customer service responses. But hold on, it's not just about cutting corners. It's about empowering you to focus on what truly matters for your business growth. And let's face it, who wouldn't want a digital powerhouse taking care of the grunt work?